Alright, go.
You're gonna wait some.
There's a lot, Juju.
Go in the house early. I'm not wasting mine. Whoa.
Woohoo! It's a T. Well, it was a T.
You even got your phone to take pictures of it.
I'm on it, Juju.
Oh, are you?
Woohoo! Check it out. You can so tell it's a T on my phone.
I didn't waste mine.
Yeah, but you can see that mine's a T.
No, mine button.
Ah! Junebug. Woohoo! Look at that smoke. Just part my mana.
Don't come around now. You're gonna have to sit.
Smell like stuff over there.
Sure does.
Daddy, did you eat that?
No, you better look over there for some water. He's not there. He's gonna shoot us. Ooh. Get over and get sprayed now. It won't come off now.
The shadows are dancing, Shelby. You're right.
Under your feet.
I'm gonna kill you, Juju. I know. That's hurting, bug. Die. Look, I got antennas. Woo! There's Juju.
Wait for my dog.
There's Juju and her dog. Shelby, wave.
Did you get our picture or you just video?
It's video.
Fourth of July.
July.
1st.
No, August 1st.
Is it August?
It's August 1st. Actually, I thought yesterday was the 1st. Hey, just kidding. Woo-wee, wee.
Shelby, go get that other thing. We can burn it now. We got one of those units that shoot up air sparklers. Don't burn your hair now.
Yay! Look how close I can get. That was my shoe. I'm gonna set my shoe on fire, Shelby.
Dancing.
Woohoo.
Dancing on the shadow.
Ooh, let's dance. Can we dance in the shadow? Where's the shadow at?
I'm talking about the silly.
Oh.
I like that smoke because it don't bring no mosquitoes.
No idea why we're doing this. No idea. It's fun. Look, you wrote my name with smoke.
Can you give me this light? I need this.
Woo!
Look at that June back by you, Shen.
Where?
Right here, he comes to me now. Turn around before we get light. I don't know where he went. There's a big mama one. Don't get close to my dog now. My dog's gonna get off of me.
Ow, it burned. Show me. It fell off. This is how we do it. We get another one and light it off the one that's already lit.
You know what? We got packaged of winners. You should have went and got it. Put them in the fire.
Whatever, Sheena's about to exercise.
Did we eat too much?
Yeah, we ate too much.
What'd you do? Thank you, Lord, for letting me be healthy. Thank you.
Jesus! Thank you for this day.
I mean, I've been bad. If you've been here the last week, I couldn't even get out of bed. Prayed and prayed and prayed. I fasted. I couldn't eat.
Alright, that's enough of that.